Yes. Yes, my name is Dr. Dream. And the doctor is on. I am imagination over. And so, doing that, I move people's imaginations into other dimensions, and I take everyone's collective imaginations and put them in another dimension. But tonight I'd like to start off a little different. Wow! Yeah. You're saying, what do you stop for? It is stop the music. Well, I'll tell you. Because I, Dr. Dream, want you to help me create, yes, create something. So I'm going to start off with something. Now, what I want you to do is just give me, I want one person, you, to give me one note. A note. Can anybody give me a note? Okay, we'll go. I don't, not E flat, no, I just want like, okay, we'll go with a group thing. Okay. Okay, let's try another one. Hey. Well, no, we need that. Sounds like the other one. There. Hey! Okay, let's try something else. Yeah. Okay. One more note. One more. Now, I'm going to put you in another dimension. And you are now in another body in another dimension. And And I am looking for an occupation. Bartender. All right. You are a bartender. And you're working away. But first I have to take you there. And so, you're behind the bar, thinking it's a pretty ordinary night, typical ordinary night, when, oh, you see some of the regulars. Hey, how you doing? Just a little, we're not size, but about 1,600 of them, all right? And you look over there, and there's a little lady on a walker. What the hell am I doing here? I've wasted most of my life. And when your grandfather owned this goddamn place, taking money out of me, turning me into a total drunk pup. And so, just kind of. And then, to the door comes a person with green, scaly skin and two heads. And one says, "May I have a drink, please, 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 please?" And you ask what kind. And the other one says, you quickly realize which one is the translator. And so you say, what would you like? I would like a Methco Celestial Go. And you're about to tell them that you don't have it, and there, you just happen to see out the corner of your eye, you're dressed in cobwebs, and the guy, move that little spider. Hey, come on, get this. I've been here for years. Take it out, and you open it up, and you pour it. And it picks it up and swallows with one mouth and burps with the other, thus bringing down the entire building.